We're gonna do steak sandwiches, which we've been looking forward to doing steak for a while. Step one, I really wanna have pickled onions with them. So, we're gonna make a quick little pickled onion thing. So I'm gonna teach you how to do it. This is honestly, if you like pickled stuff, this is the best thing ever. And it's super easy. Step one is, we're gonna make the brine, which basically is white wine vinegar, or just any vinegar really, but you wanna go half vinegar, half water for the ratio. Yeah, half water, half vinegar, and you want to get it up to a boil. And pour that in there. So now we've just got to chop a bunch of red onions and put them in there. So basically, yeah, we're just going to put sliced red onions in there and then pour over the hot brine. And that's how you make it real quick. Also, for my birthday, I got a new knife, which is unreal. Look at that. Ooh! It is so sharp. I've used it quite a bit now, I haven't honed it yet, so it's a little bit blunt.
Do you know what the markings are?
It's the name of the blacksmith.
Oh, the blacksmith?
Yeah.
Sick.
Yeah, carbon steel, handmade. Lovely.
It's cool, that is.
It's sick. So we're gonna make some, just like that. Dong, dong, dong. I don't even like you touching that, get off. Yeah,
Struggling now,
it's
isn't
a bit blunt now. How do I want to do this?
Oh, yeah, that cuts vegetables nice.
IKEA.
So yeah, bearing in mind I haven't honed this. I've used it like 5 times, haven't honed it, so it's probably like a little bit, but it's still just fucking. It's a joke. Also, like just little bits of that. Look how sharp that is. You don't even have to like push at all.
That's what I reckon they should comment.
What's that?
What is just the best sandwich? Just your best sandwich. Like, not something extravagant, just a classic. You're stuck on an island. You've been starving for 5 days. Someone said,
Best sanger.
I'm making you a sandwich. What would it be? What would yours be?
I reckon mayo, tomato, and ham. Like is the
Ham
classic.
salad sort of job.
Yeah, yeah. But then like those open ones we did the other day.
Yeah.
But then wait until
That's a bit extravagant, isn't it? I think
Yeah.
just ham salad, well made.
just ham, bit of cheese, and a tomato with some mayo on some white bread. It's just unbelievable.
Yeah, mine's just straight up cheese and onion. Classic. That's just manly though, and a bit too manly for it. Just cheese and onion and a bag of ready salted
A
crisps.
bit too basic.
No, cheese and onion, bag of ready salted crisps.
Bunch of onions in the pot.
Oh, you're doing the pickled onions now. Nice.
Yeah, because they take the longest. So, we're just going to do that with a bunch of onions.
Yeah, it's probably not far off, are they?
Oh, your finger went close there.
I know, just size of my finger.
Full kiln jar of red onions. So, we're bringing this up to a boil, but you want to add some little flavouring things in there. So, peppercorns. Get them in there. Sprig of rosemary in there. And then basically pick like a real simple brine is just like vinegar, water, salt, sugar, but then you just put peppercorns and that lot in for taste. Salt, sugar, just granulated sugar.
Someone's definitely watched The Bear.
Watched The Bear a bit too many times. Some garlic. One. These are like the best bits as well. When you get to these in the jar, pickled garlic is just unbelievable.
Takes the edge off them, doesn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, imagine eating that now.
Ah,
Oh, it's fucking unreal. That'll work.
oh god.
You kind of just want to get this like boiling. So just boil it, cut the heat, dissolve the salt and the sugar, and then it's ready. And literally just pour. And there you have homemade pickled onions. And in about 20 minutes, they'll be lush. And then in a day or two, they're even better. So you can whack them in the fridge, they'll last for about a week. So that's gonna be one of the parts of our dishes. Next part is
Couple steaks.
some ribeye steaks. Here's one I prepped earlier. We've gone for ribeye, because ribeye is my favorite. And then I've just done salt and pepper on both sides. So we are gonna get that cooking. For some reason my pan has turned into a square. I think I dropped it like a lot. So we get that heated up, then we're gonna cook these. I'm basically doing everything in the order of what takes the longest. So like they take a while. Then you wanna cook the steak, which doesn't take long, but then you want them you wanna rest it for 10 minutes. So whilst that's resting, I'll prep the rest of the sandwich.
Sounds good.
If you get good tip for steaks is get your pan super hot. Because especially like steaks we get in the UK, they're not that thick. So if you want to get it like medium rare and get the outside brown, you gotta have a really hot pan. Otherwise, by the time you get it like nicely seared and browned, the inside will be overcooked. So if you get it ripping hot, then literally just go like, pss, pss, if you know what I mean. That makes sense?
Yep.
Or go to a butcher and get a really thick steak, and then you can actually control it a lot easier. But from the stuff we get from supermarkets, like, that's pretty thin. I'm still gonna nail it.
Have it.
That'll be famous last words. This happens quite quick as well, like cooking steaks. So I've got my stuff prepped. So we've got butter, garlic, rosemary. So just get them ready, because if you try and do that whilst your steak's cooking, you'll overcook your steak. Let's go in. Sorry about that. So get a nice sear on both sides, and then we'll go in with the butter. Probably about now. And just get all the juice that's going to taste like rosemary and garlic, and then just throw it on. Wash my hands, alright? Get over it. So, steaks are resting. We can prepare the sandwich. I found this in Lidl. How good does that look?
Banging.
Yeah. So I was gonna do like half each. Like half a baguette each. That'll probably be enough on it.
Yeah.
Go just over half an hour.
Alright. So, this is actually
Looks like
perfect.
good bread, actually.
Perfect steak sandwich bread.
Yeah, oh, for sure. You're going to toast them off? Come on.
They're getting cooked in the steak butter.
Yeah.
3 sandwiches. And then, I'm gonna take the butter and just, I might say that to the end actually.
Are you not going to, like while it's hot, toast them off?
Nah, because one will just absorb all of that,
True.
if that makes sense.
Oh, and then, yeah, okay.
I should really brush this, but I haven't got a brush. toast your buns. Bit of a toast, nothing crazy. Just some, you know, get some of that buttery flavour in there.
Woo-wee.
Nice. So, step 1, toasted bread, and then we're gonna do mayo. Classic, simple mayo, can't go wrong. You could do some fancy stuff, but mayo is just kind of great. Thank you. Next, tomatoes. Next, some rocket. Do you want these to be like open or like closed?
Closed.
Closed?
Oh yeah, 100%.
Yeah, definitely.
All right, I might do that then, because
Make
it's
it
gonna make it
easier.
easier, yeah. What's the base? Base. I couldn't wait for that was coming out your mouth.
Base.
Choice so low. Hey, we have fun, don't we?
Good laugh.
Rocket. Next, tomato. She needs sharpening already. 3. Number 1 rule.
Yeah, I was literally going to say, throw the rule.
Pepper. For this we got just some nice cheese from Lidl. Crumbly. Crumbly.
Not that crumbly. Oh.
Yeah.
What's that taste?
One. Yep, that's insane.
That's good cheese, huh?
That's really good cheese. Let's hope I've done this right. Otherwise you're all gonna slate me.
That looks pretty perfect to me. Not
Medium.
bad.
It's hard when it's such a thin steak, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it's medium, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hey, tried for medium rare, got after it right.
There you go. There's a piece.
That's good.
So, I'm gonna load up the steak.
Looks pretty pink on camera.
Good. I bet that is absolutely phenomenal as well. Hold on. Yeah. Sample piece.
Oh, hell yeah.
Sample piece.
Good. That's quite good actually. For being like supermarket
Lovely.
steak.
Yeah, it's reduced as well.
Yeah, do you know what I mean? It's hard. Not bad, not bad.
Good.
Good steak.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh rip.
Oh yeah.
I'm actually buzzing for this. Still warm. They need a bit longer, but still good.
I ain't got the time.
So, last thing is load them up with the pickled onions.
The colour adds to it, doesn't it?
Yeah. So I got that cut on my finger.
Oh, it's good for it though, isn't it?
Nice. All right, pickled onions, done. And then I'm just gonna do a smidge of parsley. And then, little squeeze of lime. We'll do that on the bread there and that. It's gonna be a messy sandwich. Oh yeah. Done. Bit more steak juice. It's free flavour, isn't it?
Hey, why not? Use everything.
Oh my god. Right.
Get them out of here.
So good.
Oh yeah.
Close them up.
Here we go.
Oh my god.
That looks phenomenal.
Go on.
It's gonna be hard, this is.
You want to get into the meat of it, don't you?
I think you did. Look at that face.
That bread is perfect as well.
Yeah.
That's bloody lovely, that is.
Oh, bloody lovely. Hold on, let's have a little rip.
Oh my god.
Look at the side profile.
That's phenomenal.
I hate to get into it.
That is so good. Oh,
Steak is unreal, isn't it?
Got another rip on that. Look at that.
No. Oh.
amazing.
That bite there was like everything. That was like crispy onion, cheese, the steak, the mayo. Jeez. We are the boys, aren't we?
So good.
It was 10 for 2.
Yeah.
So juicy.